Hey everybody, welcome back. Cricket here with another plan with me. This is in my PPWeeks and I am using this cute, adorable kit called Boo Fourth, and it's from Dek Design. It's from their Plan to Be Fun section. So it's more on the student size, but I thought this would be the perfect size for like the PPWeeks. She gives you so much in a kit though, and they are so affordable, especially if you use my code Cricket20 for 20% off. Seriously guys, so affordable. But here's Boo. I'm going to show it to you really quick because I did not get to haul it because my friend actually sent it to me as a gift. So here's my full boxes, and then here's would be your like half boxes. Then she gives you a ton of header washi and then long washi strips as well that are different sizes and different colors, which are so cool. And then your date covers and your date dots and an arrow, quarter boxes, half boxes, habit trackers, your weekend banner with the header, the banner that goes over. I love that. Then she knows that. And then your date dots down here, and then another washi strip, sidebar, 3-star check boxes, corner boxes, check flags, bows, and another long strip right there. Thin strip, then some deco, and then your headers, which you can see is homework, exercise, school, chores, stuff like that. So, you know, for a student planner, that would be wonderful, even a teacher planner. So that is what we're doing it for this week. And let me go ahead and I'm going to use these date dots that I have from So Cute Planner, because y'all know me, I have to have some foil in there. So it starts on the 27th. No, wait. Is it the 28th? Today's the 27th. So it starts on the 29th. Sorry, guys. Not. Actually, I think the way she has them, I can actually put them at the top of the thing. And I'm going to do something different. I'm not going to use a hideaway box this time. Just something different, you know. Try it with this new kit. We'll see how we like it. First, I believe this week is the 4th of July weekend coming up. That is just crazy to me. So yeah, we shall see. I use this as my wellness planner, so forgot to say that as well. Let's see, what do I want to use down here? Those are that size and that size and that size, that size. Let me see. Decisions, guys. I think I want to use some washi though. Definitely will be using these up here. I might even alternate the red and the blue up there as well. So I don't know exactly. It's not going to take up a lot of room for what I want it for. So I think I'm going to use the matching washi from here, from So Cute Planner. And that is just the right exact size that I need it for too, so that'll work. I kind of pull it all the way down to the bottom because, you know, in this planner, you kind of want as much room as possible. So that's what I do personally. My little Cricut cutter right there, and then I think I'm going to do the red on this side. We're just going to like red and silver it up, red and blue and silver. This actually has a little bit of gold in there too, so that'll be good for like stars and stuff. Okay, and then let's do the opposite up here. Hoping that's not going to be too much, but it could be. But I mean, it's your planner, why not have fun, right? Especially when it's your wellness planner, you know, you got, if you're using it like I am, I mean, you gotta keep yourself happy in this planner. Or at least I do, because I do my weight and stuff in this one. You know, that's not something that makes you really happy. So, okay, got those done. Let's get the days of the week. These are actually a lot bigger, so I guess I really didn't need the washi on top, but I didn't know that, so. But I mean, it can still be used. I mean, I could have moved the date covers down, but again, like for this planner, you kind of want as much room as possible, so now I'll know next time. Plus it shows a little bit in between, so that's kind of cool too. I'm gonna try to stay on track since, you know, it is a holiday week, so but I'm still gonna try to behave and find recipes that I'll be able to eat during as well. It's hard to find any, like, it's hard to find fat-free foods right now. You know, first of all, it's hard to find some meat, period, but to find like fat-free hot dogs and stuff, it's hard for me to find them. I can't find them. So for cookout, I'll probably be eating a low-fat hamburger instead. Okay, all right, got the date covers down. Let's keep a hold of those. I'm never getting rid of my date dots, and the washi strips, you gotta keep those as well. Let's see what their headers are. I wonder if they had it this week. That would be wonderful, but I don't think so. Okay, so let's just hold off on that one. I like that. It says America, y'all. I like that. That's cute. Very cute. And then we got that and that. I'm just making sure I got everything that I need in front of me so I know how I want to do this. Okay, so I did see this. So this one right here will be for my Weight Watcher points. So I will put that there. That'll work. I'm gonna do medicine. So let's put that one right there as well. And those are from Creative Cavern Studio. And I'm going to give myself a go. And I'm just going to use this one right here. Perfect. And then those are from Dek Designs as well. So that'll work. And then what I'm needing to do is I do need to go ahead and go through and put these down. I'm going to alternate them. One down, one up. Kind of, and see if that, I pray that works. Let's do the red and the light blues though. Hopefully I have enough of those. And this will just be like what I ate that day. Oh, come on. Okay, that one. Let's do, ooh, come on. As you can see, their stickers do come up easily on the PPWeeks paper. And then on the weekend, I think I'm gonna put them both up at the top maybe, because I don't want, actually I'm gonna put them on the bottom because I want to be able to use the fourth sticker, I think, up there. Hopefully it'll be, let's see, which one do I want to use though? I think I'm going to use the heart with the flag. And that was a perfect fit. Yay, good. Good deal, awesome. Okay, and then let's get this one here. Right there, and then let's put Boo Bear. Right there. So cute. Okay. And then let's see. On Monday I do need to, let's see here. I guess I can use a small one right here because I do have a doctor's appointment, and I got these from Craft Penguin Planner, so I'm just gonna pop that one right there for me for my doctor's appointment. And then I can just put a smaller boo. Let's see, got that and that one. Let's put this one. I got these. I'm not sure exactly who I got these from. I do believe I got them from So Cute Planner, but I'm gonna put one right there, and then one at the top. I used these in another Plan With Me, and it turned out so cute, so. And then showcase it like that. That's cute. Okay, that works. Tuesday, nothing major, I mean, for me to do. So let's do this one. Let's put a red. Let's put another red one down in between. And then this one. There you go. And let's put this one right here. I don't know why I keep like not putting one of these down. That's like the dumbest thing. Let's put one of these down, and then this. Okay, I love that bow. That's too cute. And then another one of these. And oh, guess I didn't need that one. Duh, sorry y'all. And then let's put America. Wait, I think I'm gonna have to weigh in on Friday instead of on Saturday like I normally do, so let's go ahead and get one of these down right there. I do believe I have to fuse two. Right there. let's do, well, I guess I could have. That there. Let's put this here. And these are from So Cute Planner. I'm just going to use that right there across the top. And you got so much left over, y'all. I mean, there's so much left over. So, I mean, you could use a whole nother, you know, do it 2 kits. That's all I'm going to do for like this one this time. Just kind of make it short and sweet, but wish me luck on staying on plan, because I'm definitely going to have to do that. So that will be wonderful. I'm going to use this clip right here, and I do not know who I got it from, y'all. I'm so sorry, but it turned out perfect. All right, guys, I hope that you liked this video. It was quick, short, and to the point, but showed up a very, very cute kit. So I hope that you all have an awesome, blessed week. Stay safe, stay strong, stay healthy. Happy birthday, America. And I hope to see you back here real soon. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will catch you later. Bye-bye.